why do people have different perceptions towards life? Or sa Bisaya pa, yun siya nga, nganong lahi-lahi jug belief ang tao kabahin sa kinabuhi. So, the first reason nganong lahi-lahi tag perception sa kinabuhi is that it is nature to the human person that we have different minds. So if we have different minds, then we also have different thinking capacities. We have different thinking or intellectual capabilities. So lahi-lahi kita og paniniwala sa kinabuhi, lahi-lahi ta og panglantaw sa kinabuhi, no? So that is basically because we have different intelligence. Ikaduhang rason nganong we have different perceptions in life. So the second one is that because we come from different cultural backgrounds. So we came from different societies, we came from different family orientation. So lahi-lahi taog pamilya nga gihikanan, lahi-lahi sa taog culture nga gihikanan. So our family and our culture can also shape our belief. They can also influence our thinking. They can also influence how we look at life. Now, the third reason why we have different perceptions towards life is that it is because of our educational background. So, lahi-lahi sa taog educational background kasi ako, as a philosopher, I look at life the way as it is. Or I look at life in a logical way. So, ang uban, maybe scientists would look at life in a different way. Maybe theologians would look at life in a different way. So that is why, because of our educational background, then we also differ when it comes to our perceptions towards life.